Hi everyone, Moses here with HealthyThaiRecipes.com. Today I'm going to show you how to make one of our popular recipes. It's the turmeric chicken breast bacon. Alright, let's start it. Alright, what we have here is 3 pieces of chicken breast. It's about 1.5 pounds. And I have 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, half teaspoon of black pepper, and half teaspoon of salt substitution. The one I used, it's called Spike, and I bought it from Whole Foods. Okay, and in this bowl I have a tablespoon of olive oil, a half spoon of low sodium soy sauce, and a half spoon of oyster sauce. Let's do it. It's very easy. Right. Bring the chicken breast in the bowl, just like this. The seasoning. Alright. The olive oil, the soy sauce, and the oyster sauce. Put them in here. And then we'll mix them. Okay, other ingredients: marinate with chicken breast. We're gonna leave them for 30 minutes. Alright, we'll come back. Okay, now we're back after 30 minutes of leave the chicken breast, then marinate it. Okay, I'm gonna spray the cooking sheet with the olive oil spray. Place the chicken breast in here. And I set the oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Alright, we're gonna cook this chicken for 30 minutes. I will come back. Here you are. After 30 minutes of baking, the golden yummy turmeric chicken breast is ready. Here you go. A turmeric chicken breast bacon that I pair with my kale salad. Enjoy.